we start the preliminaries with a South Coast quest. Journeying from St Elizabeth, 4 girls from Brompton Primary challenge second-time entrants Portsmouth Primary from Portmore St Catherine. The team talk.
We left approximately 6:25, and coming up, when we met the traffic in Kingston, the girls started to get a little jittery, saying, sir, it's 10 minutes to 9, and because of the rule, and they wanted to reach early.
Granted access to Quest 3.5 months ago, the girls prepared during lunch, after school and the occasional practice.
They're relaxed and they're ready to go and represent their school and their parish. They have worked hard and they're here to make a good account of themselves.
For Portsmouth, squad selection and training was rigorous, but with the support and effort to match, they're ready for this match.
What we did was that we set a schedule where each day a group of students would go to a particular class where that teacher would specialize in either the language arts, the sciences, the social studies, current affairs, mathematics. All right, and then what we did that after we saw that, then we selected a group of persons. We selected a squad, and we started meeting that squad on Saturdays, and we went as far as to meet on a Sunday. During the holidays, we met from the Wednesday after Easter Monday, going right back to the Saturday. We'd have sessions with them roughly for about 5 hours.
With the assistance of technology, present and past, Portsmouth already seem to have the upper hand.
I downloaded some apps on my phone, namely one mathematics, where you have to answer certain questions within a time frame. And you have to use the different strategies to try to answer them, as well as world geography. We also utilize newspaper clippings.
Both teams are on set. Let the quest begin.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Brompton Primary won. They decided that Portsmouth Primary should play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Portsmouth, we begin with Bible knowledge. What are the 4 Gospels in the Bible?
Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John.
Correct. Brompton, Bible knowledge. What are the first 4 books of the Bible?
Genesis, Exodus, Deuteronomy, and Numbers.
Incorrect. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, and Numbers. Portsmouth, science. Which sense organ helps us to swallow food?
The tongue. The tongue.
Correct. Brompton, science. Which sense organ gives the sense of smell?
Nose.
Correct. Portsmouth, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of National Security?
Robert Montague.
Correct. Jamaican affairs for you. Brompton Primary. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Education, Youth and Information?
Senator Royal Reid.
Correct. Portsmouth, English language. What is meant by the expression to go to the gallows?
To do something unexpected.
Incorrect. To be hanged. Brompton, English language. What is meant by the expression to get into hot water?
To go into trouble.
Correct. Portsmouth, television. Complete the name of this cartoon character. SpongeBob.
SquarePants. SquarePants.
Correct. Television to you, Brompton. Complete the name of this cartoon character. Daffy.
Daffy Duck.
Judges, incorrect. It's Daffy Duck. Portsmouth, general knowledge. What does the commonly used abbreviation IQ mean?
Intelligent quotient.
Intelligent quotient.
Correct. General knowledge to you, Brompton. What does the commonly used abbreviation CPU mean in the computer world?
Central processing unit.
Central processing unit.
Correct. Social studies, Portsmouth. Which lunar phase occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun? Incorrect. It's a full moon. Social Studies Brompton. What happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth?
Eclipse.
Can you be more specific?
Lunar eclipse.
Incorrect. A solar eclipse. Portsmouth Music. Which teen sensation released the hit single Boyfriend?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Correct. Music to you, Brompton. Which teen sensation released the hit single Love You Like a Love Song?
Ariana Grande.
Incorrect. Selena Gomez. Portsmouth Mathematics. What is 9,791 rounded to the nearest hundred?
9,800.
9,800.
Correct. Mathematics Brompton. What is 2,156 rounded to the nearest hundred?
2,200.
Correct. Portsmouth Sports. The Jamaican Andre Russell is known for excellence in which sport?
Cricket.
Cricket.
Correct. Sports to you, Brompton. The Jamaican Johan Blake is known for excellence in which sport?
Track and field.
Correct. Jamaican of... And that is the end of section 1.
After racking up 10 questions each, Portsmouth comes out the better of the two teams. Scores are Brompton Primary 6, Portsmouth Primary 8.